Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you my capstone presentation from the California State University of Monterey Bay. I have just completed my bachelor's degree in computer science and I thought it would be a good idea to share my final project with you. Hopefully this can inspire some of you to create something awesome. Enjoy. Hello everyone, my name is Miguel Nunez. Today I'll be presenting my application Needa. Needa is an application that makes it easier for people to find working professionals near their location. Currently, if people are looking for services, they usually resort to Google. The problem with that is that Google displays professional services rather vaguely. For instance, I made a search for barbers in my area and this is what it returned. As you can see, it's not very easy to determine who would be the optimal professional for me to call. For example, if I wanted to compare prices, I would have to call each individual business as no pricing information is provided. The problem with this, at least for me, is that I usually end up calling 2 to 3 locations, if that, before I decide, totally oblivious to the fact that there might just be a cheaper option down the list. The solution is Needa. Needa provides an easy-to-use, content-rich interface that makes it easier for people to choose who to hire. With Needa, professionals can create a profile with information like pricing, experience, services, pictures, etc. This information helps users learn more about the people they're going to hire. Users can also create a contact list of professionals in their area. So the next time they need a service, they can simply look through their professional contact list. Other key features include a live feed and sending direct messages to professionals. Technologies used to build and deploy this application are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, MySQL, and Heroku. HTML was used for organizing and formatting the content of my web pages. CSS provided the styling. JavaScript enabled users to dynamically interact with the website. Node.js provided the backend. MySQL stored the data, and Heroku was used to host the application. Now let's take a look at the application itself. All right, this is my application. As you can see, I added a search bar over here in the top. So let's search for a web developer in San Jose, California. And we're going to get a map of San Jose and also a list of users that are web developers in that area. So here we have Jake Johns. Let's click View User. And this is his profile. We're going to get this message because this wants us to log in or register. But we can see this user's contact information, also his showcase images, which are images about his work, but we cannot see his contact information. All right, if we click on contacts, it's going to take us to his contact list, and once again we can see this user's information. Now let's go back to the home page and let's click Pages, Help. This is our frequently asked questions. I have not actually filled these out, so this is going to be dummy text. And we also have a contact page with my information. All right, in the home page, we also have a search feature just like we do here in the top. So you can search for professionals from here. We have our most popular services. You can search for instance, electricians directly from here, but you have to be logged in. So if you're not, you're going to get this message. What Needa brings to the table: side income, entrepreneurship, and a live feed. We also are available all over the United States. So here are a couple of the cities, and these are our top rated professionals. So for instance, if I wanted to view this user, I can click on that. And once again, it's going to give us this message. So let's go ahead and register. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click register. And I got an email to my email that I need to click on to verify my account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, here's the email. I'm going to click on this to verify my account, and I have successfully verified my account. So I'm going to go ahead and log in now. All right, so now I can actually go to my profile. If I click here, I'm going to click profile, and this is what my default profile is going to look like. Let me click edit my profile and fill this out. All right, I updated my information. The only thing that I left blank is my profile photo, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and click update my profile. And now if I go back to my profile, I'll be able to see that all of my settings have been applied. And I did add this feature where you can click directly on there and it'll take you, for instance, to your website if you have one. I also did the same for social media. So let's go over to my LinkedIn. All right, now let's search for web developer once again. And as you can see, I am part of the list now because I am a web developer. Let's click on Jake Johns once again. And let's add him to our contact list. And let's see who else he's friends with. This person. All right, let's add this person to my contacts as well. And if I'm interested, I can send this person a message directly from here. Like, hey, I need a DJ this weekend. You can click send and it'll send them an email directly from here. All right, let's go back to my profile. And as you can see, they are now part of my contacts. And if I want to view them, I can just click on their picture and it'll take me directly to their profile. All right, now let's add some showcase images here. So let's go back to settings and let's upload some images. So I'm going to click browse and I'm going to select the images that I want. I'm going to click upload. And these are just images that are going to help users that are interested in these kinds of services make up their mind about if they want to hire me by viewing my work. So if I go down here and I can click on these and I can scroll through all of my images. All right, now let's click add post. So this is going to allow me to create a post about whatever I need. For instance, I can add a title saying I need help with adding a light fixture. All right, I can create the post, and now all of the users that are in Santa Clara County will be able to see my post. And as you can see, there's already some posts here, and this is my post here at the bottom. I can click edit, and I can edit this like need help by Friday. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and save that, and my post has been updated. All right, I can also click on my posts, and this will show me all of the posts that I have. I can also edit or delete from here. So I went ahead and deleted. Now let me show you this user's profile. So this is another account that I'm logged into. I'm going to create a post through their feed. I'm just going to add whatever here, click create, and now their post is going to be at the bottom. So if I go back to my live feed, I should see that message here in the bottom because this person is in the same county. All right. I also have delete account. So if you want to delete your account, you could do that from here. That was the application. Now let me tell you the most important lesson that I learned from building it. The most important lesson that I learned was to plan before building. I found myself planning as I was building. As a result, I wasted a lot of time deciding on which features to include and which not to. I also struggled with direction. It's almost like I didn't understand exactly what I was building and why I was building it. And that made me doubt myself. A solid plan would have helped alleviate any of my concerns, but hey, you live and you learn. Lesson learned. That's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and thanks for watching.